Hello, Tiny Tutors. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we have something super important for all of you. We're going to learn how to stay safe at home with 10 easy safety tips just for you. Let's get started with tip number 1. Don't forget to watch till the end for all 10 super safety tips. Here we go.
Tip number 1. Don't touch hot things. Stoves, kettles, and ovens can be very hot. Ask a grown-up if something is too hot. Tip number 2. Stay away from sharp objects. Knives and scissors are not toys. Let the grown-ups handle them. Tip number 3. Don't play with electric sockets. They have electricity that can hurt you. Never touch them. Tip number 4. Don't climb on furniture. You might fall and hurt yourself. Ask for help if you need something high up. Tip number 5. Do not lean over the balcony railing. It's dangerous and you could fall. Stay back and stay safe. Tip number 6. Don't open the door alone. If someone knocks, always ask a grown-up first. Tip number 7. Clean up your toys after playtime. This way, no one trips or falls. Keeping things tidy helps everyone stay safe. Tip number 8. Don't run inside the house. You might slip or bump into things. Walking keeps everyone safe. Tip number 9. Be careful around water, like bathtubs or sinks. Always have a grown-up with you when playing near water. IP number 10. Always stay close to a grown-up when you're doing things at home. They are there to keep you safe.